Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know that summers are approaching and it is going to be really dry, flaky, full of sunburns and suntan, and the worst part is your makeup is not going to stay on because of excessive sweating. So I bring out you the best solution for this, and that is Ice Cube facial, guys. And Ice Cube is the most underrated product in the market when it comes to beauty hack. It is really easy to make and it's extremely versatile, and there might be some in your freezer right now. So guys, the various benefits of ice include is it helps in reducing the inflammation, it helps in reducing the swelling on your skin because of the excessive sun exposure. It also helps in removing the sunburns and suntans, and also help you in giving beautiful and healthy glow to your skin. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. And we need to get started, guys, to know the more benefits of Ice Cube.
The first thing we require here is a lemon, and start chopping the lemon into thin slices. Here I'll be taking 2 slices of lemon. You can take 3 or 4, anything you want. And lemon is a rich source of vitamin C and citric acid, which helps in lightening and brightening your complexion. It also helps in exfoliating your skin properly, and it also helps in reducing those stubborn whiteheads and blackheads. The second thing we'll be requiring here is a cucumber, and guys, I'm going to take 4 to 5 slices of cucumber as it is rich in salicylic acid, which helps in hydrating your skin. After that, I am taking a liter of cold water because we need water to dip our ice cubes in. And here I have taken 30 to 40 ice cubes, and this is a solution. We are done here, guys. All we need to do is add our lemons and cucumber into the water, and what this water is going to do is it is going to rejuvenate our skin. It is going to provide that healthy complexion to our skin, and also I would recommend you to do it every morning because it is going to act as a perfect primer for your makeup base. It is going to make your makeup stick throughout the day, and it is ready, guys. As beautiful as it looks, it is going to provide the equal benefits for your skin. All you need to do is dip your face into the water for 10 seconds and then take it out after 10 seconds. Take a break of 10 seconds and then do it again, and do it for 3 times because I did it for 4 times and it started to hurt your skin. So 3 goes are going to be enough for it, and this is going to have amazing benefits on your skin because ice cold water helps in boosting up your blood circulation, which is going to provide you instant healthy glow, and it is also going to remove all that stubborn swellings or puffiness you have around your eyes in the morning. If you are someone who has bloating in the morning, it is going to get you rid of that as well. You can use this facial 3 to 4 times a week and you'll see an instant glow in your skin. It is also going to remove all the sunburns and all the suntans you have on your face, and it is going to give you that absolutely healthy and beautiful glowing skin this summer. And I was absolutely amazed with the results, guys, and I would recommend you to do it once and you'll see some amazing benefits for yourself.
This was it for today's video. If you have any queries related to this, let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you have any suggestion or a video you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. Hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. To my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad, and we need to get inside. Hi Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you all know that summers are approaching, the season is going to be really dry, flaky, full of those sunburns and suntans. And the worst part is your makeup is not going to stay on because of the excessive sweating. So I bring you this incredible ice cube facial which is going to boost up your circulation, helps in getting